Yes, and we're back today, baby. Let's go. Hello, everybody. It's a bit of a late stream today, and I got a hat on. I don't know why. I'm just putting the music for the live stream. No copyright, of course. NCS. There we go. It, I think it's gonna be loud though. It was okay. There we go. Hello, everybody. I see there's already some people on the live stream. How are you guys doing today? Oh, my hat looks so dirty. It's not dirty actually, It's because of the sun and because it's wet all the time. Because I use it every time it's like bad weather outside. So hello everybody, how are you doing today? Tommy G, hey, how are you doing, man? You're the first one to come in today's. Love you, man. You're the real one. So with me, as always, it's never changing. I got the tea. Oh, it's boiling hot. I just made it like 1 minute before the live stream, and of course, that's new. What's up, man? This to eat because I'm hungry. I just ate something, but eating is so cool. So how are you doing, guys? What's up? It for me it's like 9:30, so I'll probably do a 1 hour live stream today. I would say until like 10:30 or something. So yeah, I hope you had an amazing week. This week was pretty intense, I would say, for me. Not really because of like I had a lot of stuff happen, stuff like that. No whiskey today, man. No whiskey. I wish I had whiskey. I drink protein shakes today. I need to watch that after the live stream. I did a lot of sport today. I'm sore. I'm dead. That was really tough. Now I went there for like 3 hours, man. So no whiskey today. But why not sometimes making like a drunk live stream? That would be funny to make. Don't give me too many ideas though. That can be bad, man. That can be bad. So, Tommy G, you were already here on that's like the third live stream you're watching, I believe. Thank you, man. Always here for the meetup. Very cool. So, what did you guys do this week? So, I was saying for me it was a pretty rough week. Like online classes. This is getting so annoying. Like, okay, at first it's funny. You are at home. You can do whatever you want. And then the more you go, the more annoying I was, like all the time. I just saw you live, so why not? Yeah, I mean, why not? I just started like literally 2 seconds ago. Oh, actually, you're here and you can see we're gonna make actually the Instagram story as always. So I'm gonna connect just to the real accounts because if I make that on my personal accounts, that will be kind of cringy. Okay, so voice ready. Okay. Hey, hello everybody. We are live at the moment on YouTube. So if you guys want to come and speak about whatever you want to speak about, you can go. The link is in the bio. There we go. Hey, was it cool? Was it nice? That was pretty cool. Hey, Il B, what's up, man? How are you doing? I'm gonna add that to my story right now so that people on Instagram know that we are live here. 4 people already. Hey, you guys are ready for some live streaming today. I like that. I like this energy. Very cool. Oh, yeah, I'm sore, man. After the live stream, I'm gonna go to bed and sleep like a baby, like no joke. That's gonna be cool, man. Yes, I remember you, man. Yes, I do. How are you doing now? I'm eating this right now, okay? I just finished eating my spaghetti. That's why I'm doing it only right now. Like, we made spaghetti tonight we were 3 eating at home today. And like, we didn't have enough. Like, we ate everything in like 10 minutes. And then I was like, yeah, okay, I need like the other half, please. And yeah, we had to remake spaghetti. We took some more time. I wanted to live stream at like 9 p.m. for me. And like right now it's 9:40. So, that happens. Yeah, I'm doing good too, man. Thank you. What did you guys do this week? We have some. Oh, can you hear? Can you just let me know in the chat if you can hear the music? Because I think it's not loud at all. So let me know if you can hear that. Hey, I know look how dirty it looks. It's actually not dirty. Like, you can't wash this. It's just that it's getting really old and the colors are going off because I used it so much. I used it like under the rain. I used it like, I use it for everything. And it's been like, you don't hear the music? Okay, I'm gonna put it a little bit louder. Is it better like this? I'm gonna put it right here. Does it sound good? I think with the music, it's always a little bit there, you know? There's always this little. Yeah, that's good. Perfect, man. I'm just gonna finish my tea right here. That has been in it for a little bit too long, if you ask me. So, as always, like, you know, my thing these times are like green tea. I love green tea. Who doesn't like green tea here? I know that actually a lot of people don't like it. That's supposed to be non-copyrighted, so we should not have any problems with that. And as I said, for I said that last week already, that I wanted to make a playlist that will go on to like songs that I own, so songs that I have the license to, and that I could use during the live streams, so that I don't have any problems with the music, etc. So I'm gonna try to make that for next week. I have a few songs already. I have a license on what's called Storyblocks, I believe, and on Storyblocks you have thousands and thousands of songs that you can use like for free if you have the license, of course. So that's not for free, but you see what I mean. And I'm gonna make a good playlist about like good songs that we could use, so that I don't have to always go like on creating playlists and stuff like this on Spotify, and just use it on the computer directly with the license. So that would be pretty cool. Ready for a drop? Yeah. So tonight we have 1 hour together, and yeah. What time is it for you guys? Is it like the morning, or is it the evening, or etc.? Because for me, like it's the evening. It's pretty late actually. After the stream, I'm going straight to bed. I'm just gonna open the tab here so I can see the live stream myself. Yeah, it's working. I'm just gonna listen to the music and to the sounds. Yeah, it's all right. It's not crazy quality for the sound, but good enough, right? It's good enough. Look at that. Ben Holland, that dance you did is going to become a meme. I hope not. Actually, you know what? That could be cool to have memes on the channel, because, like, channels that have memes on them are pretty huge. I'm always dancing, by the way. I don't know why. It's just a thing. Even if there's the strange thing with me is that even if there is no music, I'm gonna be dancing on something. Like there's a bird coming, I'm like, that's sad, man. That's sad. So how are you guys doing today? No, I have some echo here. Not good. Not good. There we go. Way better. I'm gonna need to wait for that sweet tea to cool down, because it's so. Look, can you see the smoke? Oh, we kind of see it. I'm gonna have to wait for that. That's like a TikTok music here, I believe. Like you can find this on TikTok. Is it loud enough? I'm gonna put that here so it's better. Oh, the basses. I need wait, because I'm always like, on Spotify you can arrange the levels for like having massive basses and stuff like this, and I change always to that, and then I have to turn it down like this, so the sound is great on the bass. So if you're asking why I have this hat, that's why. It's because I didn't want it to like have a great haircut right now, because it's almost time to go to bed. So I didn't want it to work before going to bed. It would make no sense. So yeah, can you say in the chat what time is it for you guys? Is it the afternoon? Is it the morning? What time is it? That's actually the first time that I'm doing a live stream this late. That's like the sixth live stream that I'm doing right now. And yeah, I'm making this one a little bit later because I want to see if people like, from the US, for example, it's hard for them to watch a live stream early in the morning. So Hin Hon Chi, how are you doing, man? Give me the money. Okay, man, I'm sorry. I'm gonna withdraw like 20 billions right now. Wait, I'm gonna send you it right now. Wait, let me just do it. Because it's not easy to. I have to call my bank and all of that. So, there. Did you receive it? No. So, hey, by the way, Hin Hon Chi, if you want to participate to the giveaway, look in the description down below. Actually, you know what? I actually forgot to do that. I'm going to do it right now, so it will help you out. Bam, bam. Earn $100. It was out in the description. Sorry, I forgot to put that on the live stream. So yeah. Did you receive my $1 billion? I wish that would work like that, right? Okay, send $1 billion. Why not? If you want to. So yeah, the way you can earn the $100 if you subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and send me a personal message on Instagram saying that you participate to the giveaway. And when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I would send one of you guys $100, which is pretty cool if you ask me. Is it better if I turn this on? Will it look better? With a hat, I have a hat right now. And if you guys are familiar with the channel, you would see that this hat, I actually wear it in a few videos at the very beginning of the channel when the videos were like really, sketchy and stuff like that, really bad. But I was wearing this hat a lot of the time. In actually the video that has the most views on the channel, I think I have this on, if I remember correctly, which is pretty fun because I didn't wear it like, so yeah, I did it for like the few first videos. And then I stopped because I was like, why am I filming with a hat on? What is my channel about? My channel is everything about personal finance. So like how to make money, how to save money, how to invest your money, which is something that I started doing like a year ago. And I think it's really interesting to speak about that on YouTube. There are a few big channels that already speak about this, but it's also interesting to see someone that like just started like me investing. I started in January 2020, so yeah, it will almost be 1 year in a few months. Sorry guys. So yeah, that was my dad. I received it later. That's what happened. So yeah, you asked me about my channel. So it's everything about like personal finance. So as I said, save money, make money, invest money, which is like on the logo of the YouTube channel. And yeah, I speak about investing a lot. And I speak about how you can start that. I follow on Instagram. Cool. Hey, send me a message on Instagram so I can add you to the list right now. If you guys want to participate, that would be cool. So yeah, and the way you guys will know if you earned the $100 or not is that I will post on Instagram like a photo saying like the winner is blah, blah, blah. And if you are the winner, well, congrats, man. That's pretty cool. And also on the first video that we upload after reaching 1,000 subscribers, I will say in the video that the winner is, and we'll see that later. Oh, I think I got some Instagram notification. Yes, that's you. What's the name that you want me to put into the list? You can just write your name down after you send me the Instagram message and I will just add you to the list right here. There are already like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 people that are participating. So that's a pretty high chance of winning for now. Is investment on real estate better than stocks? It really depends if you already have money, because the cool thing with stocks is that you don't have to have a lot of money to start investing. When it comes to real estate, you need quite a bit of money to start, and you have some things that you can't really control, like when there's damage by the tenants and you have to pay for it, it's annoying. When you can't find a tenant, that's annoying. So that's like a real work, right? When you invest in real estate, you have to be the manager of your own company. That's your business. When it comes to stocks, you can actually invest pretty passively with low amounts of money and then grow it further and further, which is pretty cool. That's why I started with stocks, because it's way easier to start and as profitable pretty much, with a little bit less management, I would say, than real estate, which is pretty cool. So it'll be 777. I'm going to add you right now to the list of the participants. There we go. You are in the list. Perfect, man. Great job. So there are 15 people participating. Hey, that's a pretty high chance of winning if you ask me. That's pretty cool. So are you interested into investments? Because I know, like, for example, me, I'm really interested into real estate. The thing is, yeah, as I said before, you need a lot of money. But Right now, I could buy real estate, but it's a lot of management. I'm still a student, so I don't really want to start it right now. But in the future, I'll for sure will do real estate if I have the opportunity to. Well, if you're interested, man, just subscribe to the channel. Hey, did you see that? Did you see that? Amazing, man. I should do some marketing for other people. I think my tea is still too hot. Yeah, it is still too hot. I'm gonna have to wait for that. So we have until 10:30 for me, so it's in like 40 minutes. If you guys have any questions about anything, about personal finance, about investing, about me, about anything, you can just ask me about what I do and all that. So yeah. Amazing. And we're having a nice evening together. I like that. Hey, by the way, there is 7 people watching the live stream, but I see only 2 likes. What's going on? Right now, everybody that's watching, click the like button of the live stream. That's really important for me. It means that you like what I do. I feel like a marketer all the time on this channel. Hey, I see some people are already doing it. Thank you, guys. You are the real ones. Hey, man, what do you do with the study? Hey, how are you doing, Radoslav? Nice to see you back. And Oner Sharma. Hello, guys. I liked and subscribed, man. You're the real one. Thank you, everybody that's on the live stream. We have 5 likes right now with 7 people. That's pretty good. So to answer the questions, what do I do to study? I'm at HEC Lausanne, which is the university of the biggest city that's close to me. And I learn about like economics, finance, and in the future I plan to do like marketing stuff, all that. So yeah, that's the goal. The goal is to go really into marketing, but at the moment I'm just into like the first 3 years of college, which are the most annoying ones probably. And with online classes, it's you know how it is. If you guys are students, it's really annoying. It's getting pretty annoying. So thank you, Oner Sharma. Are you on LinkedIn? Yes, I am. You can just write the name of my channel, and there's like my profile picture is me with sunglasses. If you want to see me here, that's actually a pretty new. Like my LinkedIn is like not even 2 weeks old, I would say. Pretty new. And we have 6 likes. Thank you, everybody on the live stream. Hey, how are you doing, Radoslav, since last time? So yeah, as always, if you need like any information about anything, you can just ask me. And I think we have someone that is participating to the giveaway. GGGY 405. Is that you on the live stream? If it is, obviously the people who are subbed don't have all notifications on, or else there will be over 500 people here. Yeah, that's something that I never say in the videos. Actually, I never say like turn on bell notification to receive stuff like that, because I know that not everybody is doing it. For example, me, when I'm subscribed to someone, I don't really turn on bell notification that much, even though I should for the channel that really interests me. But I saw today something in the analytics of the channel is that like about 15% of the people that are sub to me have the bell notification on. So that's pretty cool. The average in YouTube, I think, is about like from 10 to 30%. So I mean, if I push it a little bit more in the videos, I should get more people having the bell notification on, which is pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys don't have the bell notification on, you know what to do right now. I'm good, thanks. Just annoyed by online class. Man, exactly the same here. It's getting so annoying. I have like a few classes, and like today is Thursday, and Thursday is the chillest day of all. Like I have just class from 8 to 10 a.m. and that's it. So it's pretty cool. That's the only cool day that I have. Otherwise, it's just like from morning to evening classes, online classes, and that's so annoying. Like if you need to ask question to the teacher, you need to send them an email. Like this is just straight up stupid. And we have just one class that is like on Zoom and one class that is recorded, like pre-recorded, that we can watch anytime we want, which is nice too. Like on Zoom, it's cool because you can like speak with the person, which like in the rest you just can't do it. So yeah, do you guys have online classes or not? Because I know that like I would say the majority of people right now are in online classes, but I don't know. I don't really know about you guys. And we have some cool music right now. I like it. Yeah, you also are in online class, man. That's annoying. But the cool thing is, I don't know if that's a cool thing there. Yes, on Microsoft Teams. Oh yeah, I actually downloaded it too, but I don't use it right now. It's like I use another thing that's provided by my university. It's not like a big license or anything. It's just on the website of the university. You can directly go and watch the live streams there, so anybody can go and watch anything they want. Like if I want, I can go and watch some like English classes, which is not what I do. So yeah, which uni? It's Lausanne. You know Lausanne in Switzerland. It's nobody knows about it because that's in Switzerland, but like it's called Unil Lausanne. I can write it down if you want, because otherwise there. That's the university in which I go to. I think I see you adding me on LinkedIn, I believe. Is that you? At least today was my last day of school this week, so it's like Friday for me. Oh, you're lucky, man. You're lucky. Right now, at the moment, I still have tomorrow, and tomorrow is like one of the biggest day. I don't have a lot of like, hey, my name, how you doing, man? I thought that was you that added me on LinkedIn. Okay, how are you doing, man, since last time? Oh, look at that. Yeah, I went to do the muscles, doing the muscles. And there was a sign outside. It's like an outside gym, pretty much what I go. There's no weights. It's only calisthenics, so body weight exercise. And there was one sign saying that it's maximum 5 people. So I came was the first one there. So of course that was fine. But at the end we were like 8, and I was like, if there's like a police officer that comes, that's not very good, Watch out, guys. Wear your mask and stay apart. What is it in English? I believe it's like 5 feet apart. Is it 5 feet? I don't use feet. Doing good. How are you doing? How you do like Tesla news? I like it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna tell you my story with Tesla, which is pretty sad if you ask. So yeah, I saw the news. Tesla was added in the S&P 500, and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. Sad thing is, the day just before, I sold Tesla to simplify my portfolio. So I was in profit, but I could have had like $50 per share more. But that's fine because I hold a lot of the S&P 500 stock and index fund, I mean. And what's cool about that is that since they added into the S&P 500, it's like if I still own Tesla in a way. But that's pretty sad. I sold the day before, That's not copyright free music, right? I'm going to have to change that. Okay, wait. I'm going to have to change the music quickly. Facepalm, exactly, man. Shit happens. You know what? I'm okay because like it's not like I was in a loss in Tesla. I was just securing the profits and simplifying the portfolio, so I don't really care. But yeah, I wish I knew like I wish it happened like one day before. That would have been cool too. But yeah, shit happens, exactly, man. Dabby, yeah, you're right, bro. You're right. That's how we do it. 2016, we here. When was the dab? When was it cool? Was it like in 2016, 2017? I don't even wait. Dab. When was it cool? Oh no, wait. The dab gained popularity in America sports following an 8-score celebratory dab in 2015. Wow, that's old, man. Hey, good evening, Elvis. How are you doing, man? Since last time too. Hey, you know what? Thank you everybody that's coming to the live stream because I see a lot of names coming back every time. So thank you. I did not expect that during live stream. I expected like random people coming sometimes and seeing the channel, but right now I see so many people that are just coming back and back to the channel every time for the live stream. So love you guys. That's cool, man. Didn't expect that at all. Yeah, 2015, man. That is old. Wow. I was 15 years old. The heck? Yeah. COVID time. So when are you going to choose the winner for the giveaway? So if you read the giveaway rules, it's about when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, that's important, guys. So listen. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, the thing that will happen is that the next video that I uploaded, I will speak about the winner of the giveaway inside. I will give the name, so you guys should watch the video right after I hit 1,000 subscribers. And also, since you follow the Instagram, there will be a post on Instagram about who the winner is. So that's how it works. Yeah, your streams hella chill. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you a lot. That's the goal, right? The goal is to have a fun time with you guys. So perfect. So you are 20 years old. Yes, I am. Hey, did you see those dance moves, man? Wow. Yeah, I'm 20. Hey, we have 10 people on the live stream. Welcome everybody. Hey, hit the like button down below. We have 7 likes right now. Can we hit the 10 likes already? That's pretty cool. Dang, you stream. Why I'm watching a TV show? Wait, dang, you stream. Why I'm watching a TV show? Got to make priorities. Yes, you should make priorities, man. Come on. Hey, we have some likes coming up. I like that. I like that, guys. Nice moves. Thank you. Lol. Yeah. That's fun to do live stream, actually. Like at first, I thought you were about 23. No, I'm just 20 years old. But you know what? Look at that. Oh my God, look at that's why I'm wearing a hat right now. Hey, I'm 12 years old. Belgian beer recommendation of the week, Duvel. Hey, random meme dude, how are you doing? Sorry, I didn't watch it. I didn't see that was your username, man. And thanks for coming back. I am doing great. I'm doing great. How about you? You know what? I'm gonna need to take a picture of that beer name so that I could try it later on. Thank you for the recommendation. That's pretty good, man. Every time you're coming back with a new beer, I like that. I like this energy. Okay, I'm sorry, but these songs are not copyright free. I'm gonna be in trouble. The NCS release. Let's go with that. There we go. Same, doing great today. That's perfect, man. See, the live stream today is a little bit later than what it's used to be. Like normally what I do is that I do like maybe at 7 or 8 p.m. Right now it's 10 p.m. So pretty late stream, but that's pretty cool. I think it's better for everyone. If you have some free time in the evening, why not? And if it's the morning in the US, or if you're on the other side of the world, why not watch the live stream right now? Every week I'll be back with another beer until you do a beer trying video. Hey man, if you continue right now, I will create a list of the beers that I need to try, and I will do a video just for you to try out the beers that you suggested. So wait, is it better with the light on or the light off? See, a little bit more shadowy. Looks more like, I don't know. I think it looks like a deeper. It looks like it's important. And right here, it looks a little bit like. And look what I can do though. I can do some crazy stuff with this light. Ready? Look. It's so bright. Oh wow. Let me put it like that. His name though, random meme dude. Yeah, I know, right? The first time I saw it, I was like, random meme dude, what the hell? So, but anyway, what are the plays of this week? Well, I'm going to speak about that right now, man. I did a lot of things. I did major changes this week. And the profits are coming and coming, man. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. So you can see already the graph of the investment is doing good. Is it? Wait, I'm receiving notification right now. Wait. Okay. You can see the graph is pretty good. So what is happening this week is that I sold almost all the positions that I want to take rid of. That's the only positions that I have right now. Like before I had maybe almost 30 positions, I would say. Right now I'm keeping I'm simplifying the portfolio. I'm making it easy to manage and stuff like that. So I'm investing heavily in the S&P 500 ETF from Vanguard, which is like, the most basic stuff that you can do when you invest. So pretty cool. I have $13,000 into this one. And I'm invested into a few other companies that I believe will do great over the next few years. So I already have a target like price sets that will automatically sell if it reaches. And yeah, so right now what I'm trying to do, simplify the portfolio, make it easy for me to manage. And like every time I have money, just put it to the S&P 500. Make it easy, Making things easy and efficient is what we're all about here. 13,000 invested, yes, but that's only in the S&P 500. Like overall, you can see what I'm going to show you right here. So if it works, if you guys can see it actually, okay, I'm going to try my best. Well, there's so many footprints. I'm gonna wait. There you go. Way better, right? So I'm gonna show you. That's the S&P 500. I don't know if you guys can see it. 13,000 invested, and these other companies I have like from 2,000 to like $300 invested into it. And you can see I have. Does it work? Okay, so you can see I have lots of cash right now. I have $30,000. My portfolio value right now is $30,000. I have 29,000 invested, so I have a return of about like more than $1,000 right now, which is pretty cool. And I already secured some profit, which is cool. And I still have like 20,000 to invest, which I am so excited about. I just want to put this money in the market. What the fuck? Where do you make this much money? Well, I made this money last year. Last year, I took 1 full year to work to make the most money I could, which I made. I made like $35,000, which is great, man. I was so happy about that because I had to do the army in Switzerland. You have to do the army when you're 18. And then like I got injured and I had to stop. So then I was like, okay, so I have a lot of time before university. Let's make some money. So I got engaged into like one thing in the government where they like plan out, surfaces for buildings and stuff like that, where I had to scan everything for 8 months straight. And I made $35,000. So that's pretty cool. And I had like 15,000 that I saved since I'm really young. So right now I have everything here. I still have $7,000 that I'm keeping on the side for safety, but otherwise I have $50,000 here, which is like amazing. That's such a big amount for me. That's so cool. Damn, with how much did you start in the S&P and how much cash did it grow? Well, the S&P 500 is actually one of the most performing thing that I have right now. It's actually down a little bit today, I believe. Like you can see if we look at the last week it dropped like maybe 5-6%. I'm up $400 at the moment, which is not a lot, right? That's not a lot, but we have so much volatility at the moment that I don't know when I should put money into S&P. I'm just trying to like not time the market too much, but know that when there are some really red days, just put a little bit more into the S&P 500. And I will do that over the next coming months, so that the goal here is to have my $50,000 invested in the market by the next like 2-3 months, maybe. Every time we have a red day, investing a little bit more. And yeah, so that's the goal, man. That's their goal. Can you invest for me? I wish I was a hedge fund manager, but I'm not. And that's a big thing to do. I wish I could invest for people, but I'm not like an amazing investor or anything. I'm just a random guy. Invest my money and we split the profits. Hey, you know what? I like this idea. Send me money right now. PayPal address. I send you my PayPal. Wow, respect. Thank you, man. Do you still work? No. Right now I'm studying, as I said a little bit earlier in the live stream, but you will not hear. I'm studying like economics, finance, and the goal here is to end up with a marketing degree in 4 years. So that's the goal. Add 22 extra subs since last week. Yes, I know it's growing quite a bit. That's pretty cool. Wait, I'm just going to go into the channel analytics to see how it's performing. 588 subs, guys. It's growing faster and faster every single day, which that's thanks to you. So thank you a lot for everybody that's on the channel right now. We have a lot of people subscribing. Like, do you want to hear something amazing? When I started this channel, my goal was always long-term. I wanted to grow something long-term, something to, that I could have as a hobby and maybe later as something more important of my life. And I figured like a YouTube channel was amazing because I wanted to share what I learned. And I learned so many things about, personal finance and stuff like that, that I figured, why not doing it? At first I was a bit scared because I was like, will people listen to me? Since I'm really new to it, I have no experience whatsoever, and people are liking it. So that's pretty cool. Getting closer to the 1,000. Yes, we're getting closer and closer. So I'm really hyped with that. So yeah, thank you everybody that's subscribing. I study chemistry and pharmacy, but I ain't earning shit. Should I have studied economics like you? Well, it really depends. If you like everything about chemistry and pharmacy, yes, do it. That's amazing. Always do what you like before thinking about the money, because like what I'm doing right now, I'm not earning shit too. I have 5 years in which I will not get paid a single cent. That's why you need to choose something that you like before something that will pay you a lot of money. Imagine just putting in the ad revenue from YouTube straight into your portfolio so you don't need to spend your own money. Oh man, I would love that. But I'm not earning a single cent with this channel for now. For now, the goal here is also to, the goal. The goal is here, money. There are a lot of goals here, but one of them is money. You will definitely be a big YouTuber, man. I thank you. Really appreciate that. When I believe that YouTube is a really strange platform because when you first start, nobody knows you, right? And it takes so much time to build a community, to build like people like you coming to the live stream to speak with me. I mean, that's an amazing thing that I didn't really expect doing live streaming, but yeah, I mean, that's amazing. And I'm really thankful for that. And I have more than 500 subscribers, which for me is big, like I had, in total, I had 4 channels on YouTube. First one was a gaming Minecraft channel in which I had like 80 subscribers, which were all my friends, by the way, nothing organic, we'll say. And then I had another channel that was all about gaming, multi-gaming and stuff like that. Really funny. That was a pretty cool channel. I was doing a lot of editing, which is why I stopped, because it was taking so much time. I had to stop. Then I had to create a channel about sport, which was about all calisthenics related, which is still out. Like all these channels, you guys can still go and see them, which is like pretty fun and pretty cringy for me. But yeah, and the 4th channel is this one, which I plan to do long term, right? The goal with this channel right now is to go for the next years to come and go to the moon. A few years ago, few years give or take, and you will become much larger. I think a lot of people are keen on making money. Yeah, you're right. And you know what? I wish that's what's amazing about YouTube is that your growth is, if you're doing things right, is accelerating. So right now, I'm starting to see this increase in momentum. I'm gaining more views every single day, even though I'm not changing what I do, which is amazing. And yeah, over long term, I really hope that it will turn out pretty well. Hope you will still remember me when you grow big. Well, guys, you are the OGs of the channel, so yeah. But what everybody is like saying, "Oh, you will become big," etc. I'm like, I have 500 subs. I have a question. How can we know the payment date of a dividend? And why are you looking for the profit like every day if you invest for the dividend? Well, that's a really good question, by the way. So when you invest into a dividend, you can go into the stats just that they will give you. You can just write on like Google, you make X dividend date, which is, I believe there are like 3 different dates that you should remember when you have like dividends. If you own this stock at this time, you'll get paid the next dividend, and they will tell you when, right? You have everything but you have to go for every single dividend that you are looking at. That's why I'm starting to like simplify the portfolio, because it takes a lot of time to watch all this stuff. But if you own the stock before this dividend is announced, you will earn the dividend. If they announce it and then you buy the stock, you will not receive it. So yeah, that's important to, as we say, don't time the market. Okay, I messed up, but I meant like timing the market. Okay, I'm gonna start again. Last time, time in the market is better than timing the market. So as long as you hold a share, you don't really care about when they pay a dividend, because you know that you will get paid, right? You know what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty interesting. And then, and why are you looking at the profit like every day if you invest for a dividend? Because what I do is that I mix both, right? I have a lot of growth companies, but I also have a lot of dividend companies. So the goal here for now, since I'm young, I can take more risk than someone that's older and that wants to like retire from dividend. So what I'm doing at the moment is that I'm trying to build wealth at the moment. I'm trying to grow my portfolio in value. And what the value will be, I mean, the bigger we go, the most I will invest into dividend to get passive income to then reinvest and make more money. That's the way it works. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. But it takes so much time to be like, to live off dividend, for example. It's like an amazing thing to do. We had someone on the channel on the live stream last time that was actually retired from dividend. And I don't remember his name. We spoke a little bit. That was pretty cool. That was amazing to meet someone that actually achieved it. And he's like 35, which is amazing. So yeah. Before 100, I was here. Keep that in mind. I will always keep that in mind, man. Always keep that in mind. I'm always here for you guys. As long as you are here for me too. As long as you watch the live stream. Which country is the best for making a career in economics? Actually, you know what? I have no idea. I would say that in the United States, you have maybe more opportunity in, like, Silicon Valley, all that stuff. But I would say that in European countries, you also have a lot of things important here. In Switzerland, we are known for the banks. So, I mean, if you want to have like a bank career, why not going to Switzerland, right? Luxembourg is the best country for Europe. Yeah, probably too. That's also like one of the, how do they call that? Fiscal paradise in Europe. Don't know about other countries. Yeah, same. Have you ever heard of Estate Guru? I feel like I remember you doing an interview or something. Maybe I'm just making things up. My memory isn't the greatest. No, I don't know. Hey, Sabu, what you doing, man? How you doing? So yeah, I'm live streaming right now. No, actually, I don't know Estate Guru. Never seen him. Hey, Moti, how you doing, man? Estate Guru. No, I never heard of him. What is it? Is it like a YouTuber that's doing like real estate content? The only interview I made on the channel is with someone called Kaidi Leifert, which is like a next financial advisor. And we're speaking about like lump sum investing versus dollar cost averaging, which is still on the channel. That's a pretty old video, right? The quality is not good. But what we're speaking about is pretty interesting. Okay, I'll be back. I need to get to my classes. I won't finish. Okay, finish your classes before coming here, and I won't end the stream about you. Don't worry. But classes before live streams of Alexis. You always remember that. Good. A pleasure to be here. Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you on the live stream too. Hey, we have 12 people on the live stream. Hit the like button. Everybody that's watching right now, watch me in the eye. Like the live stream. I want to see these numbers go up. What do we drink today? Good question. Is it still hot? I believe it's getting okay. You can see it right here. It's a tea. Random tea. Good. It's not too hot anymore. It's a green tea with a lemon inside. Pretty good. What's the job of an investment banker? Well, how to explain it? Well, it depends, because like in a bank, there are like all these different jobs that you can do. Some of them are like taking care of investments. Like it's pretty much being a hedge fund manager in a bank. Like people give you money to invest, in which you make the investment grow. Yeah, exactly. Don't they invest for other people? That's exactly what they do. It's like a hedge fund manager. You give them money, they invest your money, make it grow over time. And on the other hand, what they do is that they take a little bit of the profit that they made and give you the rest of the profit. So that's a win-win situation pretty much. But sometimes they take really high fees. So really watch out for that. And I would say that right now, since everybody can have like investing apps on their phones, like Robinhood if you're in the US, or Emerald Finance, Trading 212 in Europe, all these amazing apps that you can use right now, you can start investing yourself, which is amazing. But always watch out, guys, because I know so many people that are doing the same mistake. When you start investing, don't invest for the short term. Be here for the long term. Be here for profits and dividends. That's everything you have to know. But of course, if you want to see more content, I got everything on the channel right now. But yeah, if you start investing right now, keep in mind, diversify and long term. That's everything you have to know pretty much. No, it's a company that lets you invest money into real estate deals. Like they offer 15% up your investment per year. Like it's really safe. You don't have to worry about stocking going down. Oh, about stocks, sorry. No, I didn't know that. Okay. So no, I didn't. I did not do an interview with them. Thank you, everybody. Like, there are a lot of people on the live stream right now, a lot of discussion, so that's pretty cool. I'm actually, you know what? I feel like it's a great live stream. I'm not going to do a 1 hour live stream, rather 1.5, and maybe 2 if we are feeling amazing today, okay? Tomorrow I have classes, but tomorrow is like an okay day. I have a lot of things that I can watch later on, which is like videos and stuff like that. I just love to be here. I love to be here too, and I like the vibe. I like the vibe of it. It's always a little bit stressful, and it was actually for the first live streams that I was doing. I was like, will there be people watching the live stream? And now we have 10 people watching with me. So yeah, thank you guys. That feels good. This tea is good. Okay, the memory is letting me down. That's okay, man, no problem. Hey, what stocks are you investing in? trading 212? Well, quite a few actually, but right now, if you didn't see just before, I'm gonna list you everything that I have. It's a pretty short list right now. I sold a lot of stocks, so I have Google, Amazon, Apple, AT&T, Beyond Meat, which is a pretty new one, and that's actually I'm up almost 10%, $250 in a few days. I'm really happy with that. Etsy, EXP World Holdings, Facebook, Microsoft, Netflix, Realty Income, Soul Capital, and I have most of my money. I mean, the biggest part of my investment is into the S&P 500. That's all the stocks that I have. And by the way, welcome, Benedictus. How are you doing, man? Or woman? I don't know. Is it a man's name or is it a woman's name? Benedictus. Because I know a girl that's called Benedict, but I don't know a man called Benedictus, so I'm good. Perfect. Hey, is it like are we into a discotheque or something right here? With my upside down hat, like what am I doing right now? Would it be great to invest in local business before the cure for COVID-19 is out? Because lockdown really crushed the market. Yeah, but what do you mean by local business? Because local businesses, if they are like into the list of stuff that you can invest in, it's already a pretty big business. Probably not only local. There are a few, like for example, if I take my example, there are a few Swiss companies in which you can invest in trading 212, like the bigger local businesses. Yeah, but like when you find these apps that are publicly traded in the markets, these are already huge companies. Investing into a local business is hard because when you invest not publicly, so when you don't buy a share of a company like I'm doing with Apple and all that, when you invest into a private company, it's really different. You have, I think one of the rules is that you should have at least $100,000 that you can put into the business itself. And since it's a local thing, so probably a way smaller business, it's harder for you to like be certain that they will do great. And I understand where you're coming from, because investing into local businesses is probably would be one of the greatest thing you can do to help them. But I don't know if that's possible. If they are not traded onto like an exchange, I don't know if you can really invest into them. Have you ever lost like a big chunk of your investment in that trading app? Or maybe you are smart, you can avoid losing money 99% of the time. So I made a few mistakes when I started investing at first, because when you start, you don't really know what you're doing. You're just buying this here, you're buying that. You never really know what you're doing at first, and that's okay. That's normal. I actually made videos to avoid mistakes, because like I made some and I was like, okay, I can maybe help people avoiding them. That's the goal, right? So there was only one investment in which I lost money, which is Wells Fargo. That was just unfortunate. I invested into them just before the pandemic. They got crashed, and right now they're still not up. So I sold them at some point because I was like, you know what? I don't want to hold them anymore. I invested into other companies with this money, made some money back. So, that's the only stock in which I really lost money. All the others, I hold them for long enough so that even if it was a bad investment, at the end of the day, I was still in the green and sold them. Most of them, that's what I did. So if we look at the chart right now, you can see, I'm going to show you right here. If you look at the companies that I own, green, 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 one red, that's AT&T, but AT&T, I'm here for the long term, so I don't care about them being in a red. But hey, yeah, you're right. We have a lot of flags right now. I like that. Thank you, guys. Thanks, everybody. So yeah, the only investment right now that I have in which I'm in the red is AT&T. But AT&T, man, I'm here for the really long term with them. They pay a super high dividend. It's a great company if you invest into dividends. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. Well, kids, remember, the easiest way to invest money is a barn and some butt plants, if you know what I mean. Oh my God. And then he says, for some legal reasons, that was a joke. Yeah. Hey, everybody has his own investments, Not sure about this one, but when you invest into companies, sometimes they also do some sketchy stuff, and you never know really what they do in the business. Like if you invest into Nestle, you never know what they're going to do exactly. Oh, now I understand about investing, about investments. My dad, wow, I can't read. My dad used the same thing but a different app. Yeah. So with these investing apps, the way it works is that they just give you access to the market in which you can trade shares, buy, sell, and all that stuff. So you can have different investing apps, but you're still going to pay the same amount for the same share and sell it at the same price on both, right? It doesn't really matter which platform you have, as long as you don't pay like conversion fees and all that stuff, you're good to go. Do you do a lot of research before you invest in something? Sorry for the questions. I'm really curious. Hey, no problem, man. You can ask all the questions you want. We're here to answer all this and speak together. So I don't do massive amount of research. I'm really into like fundamental analysis, nothing technical analysis. I'm not into that. I just do like checking debt, checking PE ratios, checking dividend yield, checking dividend history and stuff like that. And if I see that the company over the long term has been able to increase their dividend, they have been able to actually make profit all the time, they're really profitable and getting more each and single quarter, I mean, that's a great investment to do. So that's how I look at the companies. I don't go into like really technical analysis. I'm not here to trade and stuff like that. So that's why I don't really care. And on the other hand, what I do is that the companies that I invest in, first, I need to know them. I need to know what they do, maybe have used them a few times. For example, I have Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all these companies. I already used them once or more, and I know they're great. I know their services are great, and I know they were great. They would be great in the future too. So that's why I'm invested into these. And also because they have like huge market shares that are most of the time leaders in what they do. And yeah, so that's pretty much how I look at companies in which I want to invest. Or what I do is that I invest into the S&P 500, which just regroups the 500 most performing companies traded on the public market in the USA. So that's great. Are you married? No, I'm 20 years old. I'm planning on being married maybe later. And when I'm saying later, it's in, quite a big long time, I would say. Did you do any course before getting into investment thing? No, I never done any courses. I just have. So my parents, I didn't know that before I started investing myself, but they actually invest themselves. But they use a hedge fund manager. They give the money to someone that is investing for them, and it's working pretty well for them. So why not? But I've never done any courses because I believe you can make investing be really easy if you really look at the fundamental and don't go into like too much. Because if you go into like details and then there's more details and more details and more details, it gets so complicated. I mean, you can make it super easy if you invest into like huge markets at once, like I'm doing with the S&P 500. You invest into one thing that regroups the 500 most performing companies of the USA. You can't go wrong. When you invest something that is supposed to represent the 500 most performing companies, it's not like you. And if there is one company into this that is doing poorly, they will get it out of here, add a new one that's performing better. That's how it works. So I don't see really how you can go wrong with investing into big markets with index funds and ETFs. So yeah, I should make more videos about. Sorry about that. I should make more videos about investing into ETF and index funds. I covered that quite a bit on the channel, but probably not enough because the real message that I want people to hear on the channel is that when you start investing, you don't have to be a trader to make profit. And most of the time, if you trade, you actually lose money over time. So yeah, for me, it's like make investment easy and effective, because most of the time, actually, I think it's 95% of the time, the S&P 500 outperformed professional investors, which is an insane thing to think about, right? Mid-term investing has some really difficult technique to see if a stock will grow in the future. Mid-term investing has some really difficult techniques to see if a stock will grow in the future or not. Yes, you can go into a lot of details, really technical, but this most of the time is for a company that is emerging. That's a company that's really small, that is starting to expand, and that's going to grow in the future. And you are pretty much, when you invest into a company like this, you are pretty much betting on the fact that they will do great, which is not always the case. Watch out with that, because that's what's dangerous with new companies that are growing a lot. You don't know what they're going to do. Really, you're not sure about anything. And even if you do the best technical analysis, you are never 100% secured because of scandals, because of random bankruptcy, because of fraud, because of anything. This you can't control. That's why I'm trying to invest into the simplest way without taking much risk. Because yeah, that's the big thing with me and my investment is that I don't want to take risk, right? I can take risk because I'm young, but why would I? Because that's the money that I have on my app right now is my money, right? I want to keep it. I want to make it grow, make it work for me, and not work for it. That's how it works. So yeah, taking risk for me is hard. But that I took some risks, some paid off. Like Beyond Meat, I invested into that less than a week ago, and I'm already up 10%, which is almost $300. See, it's literally morning time for me right now. Well, you can see here, that's the outside of my window. It's completely dark outside. It's 10:30 for me. And I said that the live stream will go until 10:30. But you know what? We're having a good time. I'm having a good time. So yeah, why not going into 11? Okay, we have okay, you know what? I'm going to say it right now. We're going to stop the live stream at 11. So we have 30 more minutes. Great. I'm having a good time. Thank you, guys. And I'm eating and drinking tea at the same time. What's better than that? Maybe later, you can use your YouTube money to take some risk. Maybe if first of all, if I make money from YouTube, second of all, I'm not really sure. Maybe I will try a little bit to make some money, taking a little bit more risk, but I still want to, stable kind of passive income flow with dividends, which is the safest way for me, I would say. You have big balls. I would be very scared to invest that much money. It feels strange. I don't have everything invested right now, right? I have a lot of cash sitting on the side that I'm slowly investing into the market. But yeah, it takes some balls, as you say. But oh well, those who never take risk never win. You're right. You're right. If you never start investing, you're never going to see what investing can do for you. And actually, like, there's this misconception that investing is trading, and that was the case for me too. When I started investing, well, before actually, when I was starting to like learn about it, I thought that when you invest, you're looking at charts all the time. You're like 7 screens, Wall Street, things like that, and that's really not the case. Like, you invest into really safe investments, and you watch it grow over years. That's pretty much that. Always need a buffer before investing. What do you mean by a buffer? Like, because it can mean pretty much a lot of things. I have Justin Bieber hair, by the way. Why? Why? You want to see my hair? You want to see it? You want to be scared? Boom! What is that? What is that? What is that? Look, I can try to make it look good. It's okay, but you know what? I'm gonna hide it. That's easier. That's the way we work for today. So yeah, what did you mean by having a buffer before starting to invest? Some backup money, you never know when the market crashes. Yes, you're right. And that's one of the first advice I gave into my how to start investing video, is that you should always have money on the side ready for emergency. That's why for me, I have like $50,000 on the app that I'm investing with. And on the side, I still have $7,000 that are here in case I have any problems. But, I could have less than $7,000 on the side because I still live with my parents. They pay for food, they pay for rent. I don't have to pay for a lot of things myself except my own consumption. So I could have less than that and invest more, but I'm still playing the safe game, $7,000 on the side is still like a lot of money. Eduardo Fernandez, hey man, greetings from Portugal. How are you doing, man? We have the IRS thing. Trading and investing causes any problem with the bank? Do you think that gaining more money drop in the bank can cause any issue? What do you mean by that? Because when you invest, doesn't really matter in which country you invest. You're going to be taxed over the gains that you make. So if you are like, I believe trading 2 and 2 is available in Portugal, right? If it's not, then we can find another way. But yeah, so in Portugal, I would say it's the same that in the rest of Europe. So when you invest into, for example, let's say you use trading 2 and 2 and you invest with it, you should always report what you did in the last year to the IRS, and they will take taxes over that. That makes sense, right? They can't let you without you paying taxes, pretty much. So yeah, you have to pay taxes on that all the time. If you make gains, you have to pay taxes on that. Search up Justin Bieber hair. That's the hair I have right now. Yeah, I know how it looks, but that was so random. Came out of nowhere. Justin Bieber hair, nice. People told me to get Revolut and place the money there. Well, you know what? I made a video on the channel. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you right now. It's one of the most performing video on the channel actually, and it's called Trading 2 and 2 versus Revolut. Which one to choose? And that's perfect. If you want to go and watch it right now, that's the video that I made about like, should you use Trading 2 and 2 or should you use Revolut? But first of all, watch if Trading 2 and 2 is available in your country, because maybe if it's not, Revolut is a good choice. Yes. I want to start trading and investing, but I'm afraid of these taxes, etc. That's fine, man, because you don't have to pay taxes if you don't make money, right? If you lose money trading and investing, they will reduce your tax rates because you lost money. If you make money, of course, you're going to have to pay taxes. It's like if you work and you make money, of course, you have to pay taxes. It's really that easy, nothing more than that. So a video where they told the 50-30-20 rule, but that's when you have an income. Yes. So if you don't have an income and you're young, because this rule applies a lot depending on your age. The older you are, the less risk you want to take. The younger you are, the most risk you want to take. And this rule changes a lot. Like it can be like 60-20-10 or things like that. And that's 90. So 60-30-10 or 25-15, really depends. You can move this rule around, but yeah, that works if you have an income. Pay taxes or get caught and go to jail. Exactly, that's how it works. If you don't want to pay taxes, you have to. You really can't go around when you invest. But I mean, if you don't have a work on the side and you just start investing with money that you already have, you most likely won't pay any taxes because you didn't reach the threshold in which you have to pay taxes when you work and when you earn money. Thank you so much. No problem, man. Just watch out if Trading 2 and 2 is not available in your country. Revolut is a good choice. It's actually a good platform to use. You have to pay a few fees here and there, but it's really low. It's a good platform, but look at that. Ready? Ooh! Did you see the dance moves? Dance moves are crazy as hell.
Hello everybody, I hope you're having an amazing evening today. I'm your host Alexis, and today we're going to do some ASMR, financial ASMR.
Should have started a dancing channel. Hey, probably, man, probably. You know what? I did, actually, that's a fun fact. Fun fact about me, number one, I did dance for 9 years. 9 years I did some hip-hop dance. 9 years, man. No, less. 7 years. I started when I was 9. I ended up stopping at 15 or 16. Oh no, 17. No, I did 8 years. I danced for 8 years. I remember that one. He remembered the fun fact number one. That's bad. Also, I've seen lots of courses where we pay 300 euros and technically learn how to trade. Well, is this safe or a scam? I would be really, really, stay away from that, because these people are trading, like showing you how to trade. And I'm going to give you statistics. About 90%, listen, okay? It's really important. 90% of the people that start trading are losing money over the first year that they are trading. Only 10% make money, and only the top 1% make enough money to live off trading. What I would recommend is investing rather than trading, because investing has been shown in countless studies to be more profitable over the long term than trading, because trading, you're taking so much risk that at any time you can lose all your money at once, because that's how it works. You're using leverage. You are using money that you don't even have to buy something. You can literally lose everything in one trade. When it comes to investing, you can't lose all your money, except if you invest everything into one investment and they go bankrupt, which is not what you do. You diversify your investments, you make money from multiple investments, and you're safe. That's how it works. So what I would recommend is that you invest rather than trade. If you find courses about how to start investing, I believe you can find that on YouTube. Like even on my channel, for example, you can watch all this content for free. And if you watch a lot of content about how to start investing, that's exactly what I did. And right now I'm starting to invest. I didn't spend anything on learning to invest. And I think I'm doing okay. You can find those online courses for free if you look good enough. Probably too. I don't know if that's legal though, but probably. I'd better try trading myself and lose 300 euros and learn things I will never forget. Yeah, that's right. Something that you learn, you can't give value to something you learn because you will remember that for the rest of your life. You can give this knowledge to other people, but at the end of the day, this knowledge is dangerous. That's why I'm saying, like, when you trade, you are most likely going to lose money over time. When you invest, you're most likely going to make money over time. So for me, the choice was really easy. I saw like high risk, high reward, but really high risk. And on the other side, I saw low risk, high reward. I was like, the choice is made. So that's your choice, right? You can do whatever you want, but always watch out with trading and always watch out when it's a course for trading. That's like two things together that I don't really like. Online courses can be scammy. You never know what you're gonna get because they can put anything they want in here. Except if it's a really known person that's doing this and you know the quality, you have a lot of reviews of people that are saying like it's great, maybe it's worth it. But on the other hand, you're spending 300 euros that you could use to start investing, for example. So that's it. Hey, the live stream is an hour and 6 minutes long. Thank you, everybody that's still here. Wow. Well, investing caught my eyes. I'm in the army and trading forex. Oops. Seems scary because most people who use it need to be 24/7. Exactly. Checking the graph. I went something like get it and let it grow. Exactly. Well, that's exactly investing. So yeah, if you are in this situation where you can't spend hours every day looking at charts, doing a lot of technical analysis, and you know what? I have some friends that are doing a little bit like mixing with investing and trading. They invest in companies, but for the short term because they think the stock price will go up, and they are losing massive amounts. So yeah, just to let you know, if you like prefer passive income and stuff like that, passive investments, and I think from what I see, that's kind of your case. Investing is like the perfect solution for you. So yeah, when it comes to trading, I'm really not into that just because of the stats I gave you before. Like I don't even want to try because I know how it'll be. I exactly know how it'll be. I have some friends that are doing it, they're losing. Like I have a friend, he had like 22,000. Right now he's at 13,000. He lost $9,000 in like not even 2 months doing that. So I know how it can be. Hey, by the way, we have 9 people watching here. We have 13 likes. The record I have on the channel for a live stream is 16 likes. If everybody that's watching here is clicking on the like button down below, we can maybe beat the 16 likes record that I had on the channel. So I know that you guys can do it. I know that we can do it. Come on. 16 likes. We need to beat 16 likes today. That's the really goal that we have for this live stream. After your stream, I won't feel like shit because I'm not wasting my time gathering information. Oh man, you just touch my heart saying that. Already liked. Hey, the real people already liked it. But if you want to be part of the real gang, information gang, not wasting your time gang, well, you need to click the like button. Already liked. Yeah. You're the real one too. That's good, man. So, okay, I just wanted to say something right here. Nothing to do with investing, etc. But I'm doing intermittent fasting, which means that from 16 hours per day, I don't eat, and I eat on an 8-hour window, which is a pretty cool and pretty convenient thing to do. Like I don't eat in the morning, just chilling, gang. Pretty good, right? And I have so I started eating at 1 p.m. and I finish at 9. Right now I'm still eating because I ate so late. But what I'm going to try tomorrow is to start the alternate day fasting, which is like you eat a day and another day you don't eat, and then you can eat for 2 days, and then you take 1 day and you don't eat. And I'm going to try that. Hey, we have 14 likes. We're almost there, guys. We are almost there. Wow. So yeah, just wanted to let you know this thing because like this is one of my objectives this year is intermittent fasting, and yeah, I'm gonna try alternate day fasting, see how it turns. Hey, 12 with fun, how you doing, man? Welcome to the live stream, and thank you for the like. Hey, 15 likes, thank you so much. Wow, thank you so much. What is this song? I'm gonna have to change that song right now. That's ugly, and I don't like that. There we go. Hey, thank you, Zidens. Oh, I'm tired, guys. I think. Thank you, Zidens. G. Am I doing it right? Don't think that works. Like you eat everything in the 8 hours you didn't eat in the 16 hours. Well, that's not the okay. I'm not doing that just for. I'm not trying to lose weight, right? What I'm trying to do with intermittent fasting is that I'm trying to eat the same quantity that I eat over 24 hours. So if I have like 3 meals, I want to eat the same quantity of food, but for in 8 hours window and 16 hours in which I don't eat. This way, it will trigger some metabolic responses from your body that is great for not weight loss, but fat loss. And I'm not trying to lose weight. I'm actually trying to gain weight. And you should look a little bit more into like intermittent fasting. That's amazing concepts, and like yeah, and we have 16 likes, I believe. It's showing 15 here, so I don't know. Oh, 16, yes. Thank you, everybody. We have 16 likes. That's the current record. If we have one more like, we can make it, guys. We can make it. So yeah, random meme dude. If you want to go and watch some intermittent fasting videos, go and watch it. That's an amazing concept. Okay, I go to sleep now. It's almost midnight. Work tomorrow. You guys have fun. I'm Steve. Elvis, good night. Hey. Yeah, good night. Good night, Elvis. I was confused for a second. You guys had the same avatar. I was like, is it the same person speaking? No, it's not. So yeah, Elvis, good night, man. I hope that you have an amazing night, and I hope to see you next week. Thank you, man. It will work short term, but when you stop doing it, you'll gain the weight back. But I'm not trying to lose weight. That's the thing. When you're doing this thing, you're not losing you're not slowing down your metabolism. You're actually increasing the metabolism. And the thing is, long term, you can actually increase your metabolism this way. Training 2 and 2 works in Portugal. Yeah, man, perfect. Perfect, man. So did you watch the video? That's perfect, man. Thanks. Wow, my nose is so itchy right now. Look, I'm crying. I'm crying because I'm so happy. 17 likes, you're saying? Yay! 17 likes. Thank you, everybody. We're beating the new record. That's great. Everybody that was here that watched. Oh, sorry, I bugged. Did you see that? I was speaking and I was like. I am a financial broker from firms. Hey, pretty cool, man. So is that you work as an investor pretty much? Or do you are you like a financial advisor in which like you advise people on what to do, or you invest for them? Are you like a hedge fund manager? Yes, said it before you told me that. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Hey, that's a great live stream that we're having right now. Thank you, everybody that's here. MNCs. Wait, I'm gonna watch what is MNC. Mobile news channel. Is that it? Is that it? That's pretty cool. So you're working for them as an investor, right? That's pretty cool. And what do you invest in? Is it like into mutual funds, or do you invest into multinational companies? Okay, MNCs. Okay, because I watched like MNCs on Google and they were like MNC, the mobile service factory. I was like, okay, so multinational companies. Wow. So do you invest into like mutual funds for them, or do you invest into like big markets, ETFs, and stuff like that? I guess if you are like you probably invest into mutual funds. I think that's what most pros do. Hey, we have a new record of likes. Thank you, everybody. Feels great. Yeah, mutual funds. Yeah, I believe that most of the time when you look for like a professional investor, a financial broker, as you said, you don't want them to just say like, okay, give me your money, I'm going to invest into the S&P 500, everything. No, that would be a little bit scammy. So yeah, I understand. Mutual funds makes more sense, I would say. So yeah, hey, for everybody that's on the live stream watching right now and that didn't do that, you guys can earn $100 if you subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and send me a message on Instagram in which you're telling me like I participate, something like that, and I will add you to the list of people that are participating to the giveaway. I follow videos for my personal investments. Hey, that's cool, man. Thank you. Hey, that feels good because I have someone that's like professional when it comes to that. That's watching my videos. Feels great. Okay, trading on computer is better than trading on mobile devices. I probably, yeah, because like on a computer, I mean, you can have more information on the screen at once. I would say it's more easy on the desktop than on a mobile phone. How many people are in the giveaway? Well, right now, I can just tell you that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 16 people that are participating. So I see you still guys have a pretty good chance of winning. So yeah, Zidans, thank you, man, for subscribing to the channel and watching that. It feels good. And how do you like the videos? Are they good? Because like I'm trying to improve them, have feedback from the community, people that are watching it. So they almost doubled since last time I asked. Yeah, I mean last time was like 8 or something, 7, right? Random memes wants your money. You want my money, random meme dude? Indeed. You want money? Okay, I'm gonna send you again. There we go, man. I did it now. Okay, I sent it you. Look in the chat. It's written here. You got the money, man. Go and buy whatever you want. Start investing. That's better than doing random stuff. Oh, look at this drop. What am I doing on the live stream, man? I'm in front of people. What am I doing? Do you slap that bass? Like that? Wow, just became millionaire. Thank you so much. You changed my life. Hey, you're not a millionaire. You're a billionaire. That's even better, man. Wow. Man, no problem. I mean, I'm here to change people's lives. So if I can do it right now, that's better. And we have 18 likes. Thank you, everybody. We are destroying the record. Even better. Yes, it's better. It's just interesting that your information reached Portugal. Like internet serves the day. Yes, actually, you know what? That's funny because, well, you're from Portugal. Portugal is not even like that far from me. We just have France and Spain between us. But I get some people from the Philippines that are subscribed to the channel. I get some people from the USA that are even watching the live streams, like Sabur, that is like always on the live streams. And yeah, it's mind blowing to see that people are coming here from all around the world, even though for me it's like 11 p.m. almost, and for other people it's like the middle of the morning or the evening, or they're eating, or feels so strange, but that's so amazing. I think you're welcome to join me in a beer degustation. Yes, invite me, please. Invite me now. I want to drink that beer. Yeah, same for me, man. Same for me. 23 hour here. It's 11 p.m. I'm here in Dubai. Dubai, wow. How is it in Dubai, man? That seems like Dubai. I think Dubai is like one of the strangest city ever, because it's like I don't know. There's like such a weird vibe to it. So cool. You have those huge buildings, and then you have the desert around, and then you can even ski there inside. Like what? Yeah. And how is Dubai? I know some people that actually went there a few times, and they told me that was amazing. That was like a crazy city. Everyone running to get the knowledge. Yes, please come here, get the knowledge. I will give you all the information I have. No, but like, yeah, luxury. Yeah, I guess so. I saw like these videos in Dubai. You have like all these amazing cars, one after the other, like coming in. Yeah, it looks just crazy, man. Amazing city. 2154 in Portugal. So there is still a difference than here. So yeah, 1 hour earlier than I am. So it's not that late for you. It's good because for me, like it's almost 23. So yeah, as I was saying, that's an amazing thing to think about. Like people from all around the world are watching me. That's like a random guy speaking about finance and investing and stuff like that. That don't have that much knowledge, but are trying to like share everything that I have. It just feels strange to think about it because when you start a YouTube channel, it's a bit strange. Like you don't have any following, nobody knows you. So why would someone come to your channel, subscribe to it? Like why? Why would someone do that? Damn, I was trying to recall you, but links don't work. Oh, you're trying to send a link. Yeah, you're not gonna get me like that. You're not gonna get me like that. Never. What's your thoughts on Baba? Oh, Alibaba. Hello, Vincent, by the way. So Alibaba, I think that in the future will do amazing. The only reason why I'm not really interested into them is that it's mostly for capital gains that you invest into Alibaba. They don't pay a dividend or stuff like that. And also something that, sometimes is a little bit strange is it's a Chinese company, and Chinese companies are pushed by government a lot. Like NIO, for example, if you guys know NIO, the car company that is competing with Tesla, they will not be profitable and the business will not work unless they have the government. And by the way, the government is pushing them, and that's why they make so much money. Now we don't know NIO. Yes, everybody knows NIO, but actually there are a lot of people here that don't invest. That's why I'm saying this. No, but like you know what I mean. NIO like is pushed by the Chinese government, and they make a lot of money from that. And I don't know about Alibaba. I think they're not pushed as much, but it's like they're competing with Amazon, which is a huge thing. But it means that they can overtake Amazon because in China there's so much market with that. I believe that Baba is a great investment if you are looking for capital gain. When you're looking for dividends, well, they don't pay one. So that's a quick answer. My dad is an investment tycoon in my country. Oh, is he? Wow. That's pretty cool. I like the we don't know NIO. What is that? Who knows? What is this thing, NIO? Yeah, a lot of people know about NIO. It's a really like hypey stock, I would say. I got some friends that made some mistakes with NIO, lost some money on it, but pretty much they started investing when it was like $5 a share. Right now it's almost 50 again. Wow. But now this week's dips, if they're gonna dip more into next week or they're gonna climb back. Oh, Alibaba. I didn't really follow the news with Alibaba. In the coming weeks, I can't really tell you what they're gonna do, but I know that over long term, they're most likely gonna do great. I would say. Only know it because I'm a car guy, not because of the stocks. Well, I mean, these cars looks pretty good, right? They look amazing. And especially for like electric cars, really innovating, like futuristic almost look, they look pretty great. But yeah, so if you want to hear the story about NIO, the stock price was like at some point was at like I think it was like $2 or something, or $3. Right now it's almost 50. So in like 1 year they did like 2,000% increase, which is amazing. But like it's pushed by the government so much that I don't really feel comfortable investing into that. How much money do you recommend to start investing? Anything. I would say that if you are starting to invest, if you don't know how to invest, first of all, on Trading 212, they have a demo account that you can open with 50,000 fake dollars that you can use to make fake investments, but see how it'll do. So I would consider trying this out before, and then investing. I would say the best way is if you have a salary, send like every single month, some part of your salary goes into the investment and you can invest every month. Otherwise, if you're in my situation where you had money, but I'm not working, so I'm not making more money, I have everything that's in my investing app except some safe money that I have on the side. So I would say that, yeah, it really depends on what you're comfortable putting into the market, but just know that the more money you put into the market, the more return and it will be. That makes sense, right? Anything you can't afford without going into difficult financial positions. You answering a question from Eduardo. Yeah, I don't know which one it was. What do you think? What do you think? Which company to invest in? I would say it really depends on your goals. If you want to invest into dividend stocks, I would say like AT&T, 3M, Johnson and Johnson, AbbVie, why not? Cardinal Health. All of those. You can see the online. There's the list of the dividend aristocrats in which you can look at, and they will give you like the dividend companies that pay dividend for more than 25 years or plus. And if you're looking for growth stocks, I would say like tech sector companies are most likely going to give you the best returns, like Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Netflix. Well, Alibaba, for example, too, is a great one. Neo, but that's a risky one. So yeah, that's how it works. Just buy S&P index or a different index in there, or dividend stocks. Exactly, Vincent. You got it, man. That's exactly what I do. So I invest into the S&P 500 and in dividend stocks. So we got both. That's the thing. Being in the army, I eat, sleep, and everything else I can do here with zero costs. Well, that's pretty cool if you can do everything with zero cost and you still have a salary. Well, you can put a lot of money into the market if you're comfortable with it. Have you ever invested into Nifty 50? Nope, never done that. I don't even know what it is. Is it like an index fund or something like that? Then stoinks everything into Neo. Ooh. K-app, it gets turned into emoji. Yikes. Oh, what did, oh, you did the face and it turned into an emoji? I was like, what is this emoji? The placing in all in one share is a bad idea. Yes, it's a bad idea. You don't invest into just one company. The goal here is to have multiple investments that are all performing okay. And if one is not performing okay, it's fine because you have the others investment that are doing fine. Because if you invest into just one company and this company goes down, well, so does your money, man. So yeah, always diversify. It's really important. Yes, not so smart. Exactly. Get lots of shares and get dividend from that. Exactly, man. If you want a good chance to lose all your money, sure. You're answering for me when you got this. Nifty 50 is the Indian stock market. Oh, no, I didn't. And I actually can't invest into it because on Trading 22, I think the Indian stock market is not available. But that's an interesting thing to do. It's like China, a really growing economy and probably will explode in the future, probably. So should I place it? Oh, in Neo? No. Bad idea, man. Bad idea. I got my first dividend yesterday. Oh, did you? Nice. 1 cent from Apple. Hey, I mean, you know what? 1 cent is better than 0 cents. Congrats, man. No, actually, you know what? When you receive your first dividend, it feels good, right? It feels good. Like right now, today, I actually received like 3 different dividends, I believe. I'm going to look at just in a second here. So today I received history, dividends. Today I received $18 in dividends. Pretty cool. And overall, I'm really happy with the investments. Neo is old. Get Peloton now. PLTR is Peloton, right? I'm not really sure. I don't really follow it, but yeah, it's where the dividend didn't trigger drip. Oh, why? I mean, which app are you using though? Are you using Trading 212? If you are, then are you using the pies? Because that's with the pies that you can do it. Okay, Revolut or Trading 212? I made a video about this. Wait, you know what? Valeka, I'm just gonna send you this that I sent you before. I sent before. It's a video that I've made about like which one is the best between Revolut and Trading 212. So that's exactly your answer, man. Oh yeah, that's right. When you have only like a really low amount, sometimes it doesn't do the drip thing because no problem, man. Hope you like the video. Yeah, I also had this on one of my Pi. Didn't really invest because it was a really low amount. So, okay, listen to me. It's really important. We have 8 people watching here. We have 18 likes. Can we hit? No, we have 19 likes, I believe. Wait, do we have? Yeah, we have 19 likes. We need one person that didn't like it yet that like this live stream. So we hit the 20 likes. That will be the first time that we hit it on the channel. So yeah. Pete isn't Peloton. Oh yeah, Palantir, right? It's a pretty new one. It's performing amazing. I saw some graphs. Yeah, Palantir. And they actually did an IPO pretty recently, right? I was not really sure if I should buy it or not. PLTR is mooning the CIA associated company that just secured another US government contract. Ooh. So that's why it's going up. Hey, we have the 20 likes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. I'm a like then. Yeah, you got it, man. Thank you, everybody. That's nice. So we reached the 20 likes and we. Oh, you still have. That's funny because for me, I see 19 here, and on my other window here, in which I can see the live stream, I have 20 likes. So yeah, I wanted to say 20. Oh, it's 20 for you guys. Okay, that's good. Perfect. Thank you, everybody. That's the first time we hit that. First time we go over 16. So amazing. And yeah, so right now it's the emotional moment. I want to say thank you to everybody that came here today because we had a lot of new people. We had some people that are having like great conversations, asking questions, answering questions before I can even do it. So that's perfect. We start to have some people, doing conversations. I really like that. Every week, more and more like, yeah, man, that's the goal here. That's the goal. So yeah, your channel is acting like a growth portfolio. More like so over time. Amen. That's the goal, right? That's the goal. I'm a growth portfolio here. Okay, so yeah, everybody, thank you for watching. We have 9 people here still now, so that was an amazing live stream. Probably the best one I've done yet, because I had that's the 6th live stream, I believe. A lot of people here, a lot of amazing people, great conversations. I had a lot of fun actually. So yeah, thank you everybody. And right now it's almost going to be time for me to go, I believe. We make a community greater and greater. So see you next week and keep it up. Yeah, thank you everybody that was here. If you're not subscribed to the channel, well, subscribe. I'm doing one live stream every single week, uploading one video a week also. So if you guys are interested into personal finance, investing, all that stuff, I think $100 worked, lol. Hey, that's the goal, right? I'm here to help you guys. If you guys can earn $100, why not? And if I can earn subscribers, why not? So yeah, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel right now. And yeah, I'm gonna see you next week. I'm gonna do one live stream every single Thursday, and I upload every Sunday one video. So yeah, I'm really sad though. I didn't properly use a referral code for free share. That sucks, man. But you know what? Free share is like maybe $10 less. So I don't make a huge difference. So yeah, thank you everybody that watched the live stream. I hope that you will have an amazing evening, whatever you are, wherever you are in the world. If it's the morning, well, have a nice day. And if it's the evening, well, have a nice night. It was an amazing live stream. Thank you everybody that was here today. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. And I see you in the next thing. See you guys.